When using the pars Achilles jig for the Midsubstance SpeedBridge, the incision is made in a transverse manner just proximal to the palpable rupture. The tendon is grasped with a hemostat, and the jig is inserted with the inner arms inside the paratendon of the Achilles tendon. The sutures are then passed through the jig and the tendon in a stepwise manner, using the numbered holes on the side of the pars jig. The jig is then removed, pulling the suture out of the incision. 2 stab incisions are made directly down to bone over the insertion of the Achilles tendon. The 2 stab incisions are drilled and tapped in preparation for later SwiveLock insertion. A lasso is passed through the distal stump of the Achilles out of the rupture site. The sutures from the proximal stump are then passed through the distal stump and out the stab incision distally. The sutures are placed in the 4.75 mm SwiveLock. The foot is plantar flexed to approximate the tendon ends, and the anchor is placed in the prepared hole to secure the suture. The same steps are repeated for the sutures on the other side, and the result is a secure, knotless repair of the tendon rupture.